I knew I didn't waste money now. I knew I didn't waste money. Like, I was like, because $200, man, I was like, man.
Hey, baby, please don't make me choose between you and my goons. Mama, I will go for you.
Hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jenny. I lead my brownies to lead a life of purpose and to just fulfill whatever it is that God has called them to do. And if you are a returning brownie, hi you guys. So let's get on with this video, okay? So I'm here to show you guys this hair right here. Like, what is that? What hair is that? So you guys, this is going to be a 2-month review. This is the Peruvian body wave hair. I got 4 bundles of 22 inches, and this is where it ends on me. It ends pretty much like just above my hip, and I love 22 inches on me, you guys. It's like the perfect long length, but it's not too long where it's just like yuck. It's, I don't know, it's like long hair to me is not like super duper natural, but I love this length because it's like perfect. It's perfect for straight, it's perfect for wavy, it's perfect for super curly hair. It's perfect, man. As you guys can see, like, I straighten the hair, and I will go into details about the type of products that I use, because this hair has pros and it does have cons, but I want to let you guys know how I was able to combat the cons. Okay, so ordering the hair, it was pretty easy. It took literally like 2 to 3 days for them to send my package, and communication was just like, you know, just regular. They made sure I got my package. They were just on top of all that, so I like that. The hair was just so freaking gorgeous. I'll make sure I insert pictures. Like, when I got it installed, I got it installed as a middle part sew-in, because I was going to be going to Nigeria and I didn't want to worry about my hair or nothing, so I had it sewed in middle part, and it was cute, you know, it was very cute. And that, like, those curls that you're seeing in this picture, you guys, this is how the waves looked initially. Initially, okay? So I was like, oh yes, like, it's gonna be nice and thick, like. And it was thick too. It was thick and it looked so good, and I loved the waves, and I was just like, okay, perfect, like, yes. But then that's where I effed up, because first of all, you really should be washing your bundles before installing them. I didn't do that because I was too excited. So I was just like over there thinking like, okay, like, it's nice and thick, it's gonna look like this when I wash it, and the waves are gonna look just like this when I wash it. No. So the next time that I did end up washing it, I washed it while I was in Nigeria. There were literally no waves in the hair. There were no curls, nothing. Like, it was pretty straight-ish, maybe like a slight baby wave at the very end, but nothing where it would actually last as it kept on drying. So when I washed it, I didn't really take into account what type of shampoo and what type of conditioner or oils to be using on the hair. So while I was there in Nigeria with the heat, the humidity, my hair was just like acting up. Like, I would straighten it, I would try and curl it, like the curls wouldn't last. Like, when I was straightening it, it would get frizzy and just like, ugh. And it wasn't matting, but it was kind of snagging near the back, right? So I was just like, what in the world is going on with this hair? Right? I had to rip it out of my head. To be honest, I ripped it out of my head. I was just like, I really don't like this hair. And my sister also had the hair, but she had the Brazilian texture. So I was just like, man, both textures are not working out for us. I don't know what to do, blah blah blah. So fast forward, I'm about to go to Cali, right? And I'm just like, yo, I don't got no hair. I guess I'll just install this and see what happens. And I was like, you know what, let me try and revive it with some silicone mix. So I revived it with some silicone mix, and that definitely helped at first. So the hair was soft, the cuticles were like a lot straighter and just going all in one direction, because before it was just kind of frayed and just looking, ugh, you know, like, you know, when the hair looks dry at the ends and it's just all over the place. So it didn't look like that after I had wash my hair, and then put the silicone mix on for like maybe 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinsed it out and let it air dry. So you guys, I went and I bought this shampoo and this conditioner because I know for a fact that everybody always says to use this shampoo and conditioner, and I never really truly understood why. But I was like, okay, you know what, I think I'm gonna do that. So I got myself some of these. It is the Extra Strength Hydrate and Repair Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner. And you guys, I've tried just the regular ones, and I don't know, I didn't really truly like it. I was like, I don't know what all you guys are hyping this over. Like, this is okay, it's just regular shampoo and conditioner. Why are you stressing? Like, but I don't know, I think it's because it's the Extra Strength that it really got me. And you guys, when I would shampoo my hair, it knocked out any knots, any tangles, any problems I had. And then I just coated the hair with some conditioner, finished up my shower, rinsed it off, and then while my hair is still damp and like literally dripping, I will go ahead and I will put some of this on. So this is the Argan Oil Morocco Penetrating Oil. They do have another oil, I forgot the name of it. It's like literally in the same type of bottle, but make sure you get the penetrating oil for all hair types. And I just literally grab like a bunch, not like a lot, but just like, you know, like a baby pump full, and then you just put it through, and then I just let it air dry. I do not put heat on this hair unless I'm straightening it or curling the hair, and I don't put heat more than once a week, to be honest, because I used to curl my hair every single day. I used to do all that nonsense, and just don't do that. So once I did that, you guys, oh my god, like I noticed that my hair was so soft, was so silky, was just ooh, you see that? Like oh, you guys, like yes, like I was like, I knew I didn't waste money now. I knew I didn't waste money. Like I was like, because $200, man, I was like, man, I know other people might be like, that's not bad, Jenny, I know what you're talking about. It's a lot to me, okay? I'm low-key kind of cheap, okay? So I was just so glad. And the hair is amazing, okay? The hair is amazing. So I would suggest, if you guys, and I feel like this has to, I think with any sort of hair, any sort of hair that you guys end up getting, I would definitely suggest getting this shampoo and conditioner, the Extra Strength, and then topping it with the argan oil. It helps a lot. And my sister was complaining and being like, Jenny, I don't know why you told me to keep this hair, you're crazy, blah, 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 blah. And I was just like, look, I got you, use these. And when I'm telling you guys, like, it fixed up her hairstyle. Like, her hair was not frizzing no more, it's not tangling no more. Like, I'm being completely honest, and I'm just like, it's hard, man. It's hard to find some good hair and then to find some products that help with the hair. So right now, I love this hair. I love this hair so much. So right now I am experiencing a lot of shedding, and I think that's more based on me because I did dye the hair black, right? I just recently dyed it black, and it's permanent dye, so that would definitely put a lot of wear and tear on the hair. So it's kind of thinning out now because it was a lot thicker before. Like, see, like this side, it looks like I'm wearing 2 bundles or something, or 2.5 bundles. Like, it doesn't look like I have 4 bundles in my head. It doesn't tangle unless you have too much product on your hair. So when you notice that your hair is starting to tangle, definitely wash it. You know, definitely wash it and condition it, and then seal it with the oil. It will help quick, I promise. Make sure you guys check out the description for all their information, their website, the actual direct link to this specific hair. And yeah, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go down and click the subscribe button, okay? And if you are here and you've been watching me and you're like, oh my god, Jenny, where have you been? I know Jenny's taking a while to get back onto YouTube, but make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Stay awesome and stay blessed. I love you guys.